Right now we're standing in the disassembly area. This area is designed to take the generators apart as quickly as possible. This area is called the dirty area, but it's not that dirty. We've taken a lot of time and a lot of energy to make it as clean as possible.
We try to isolate it on one end of the shop so new product and everything coming out of Rewind isn't contaminated.
These 3 enclosures are purposely built with the proper lighting and ventilation systems. The first enclosure is used for washing the rotor and stator. We use the ice blast room to clean out any rust, oxidation, and debris that may be in them. Once they're completely clean, then they can be moved on to the rewind department for rewind. The third enclosure we have here is for when we're stripping copper out. A lot of the coils, particularly in the rotor and stator, are formed in a continuous loop. And when you have a winding that's in a continuous loop, you'll need to cut one head of the winding off so you can pull the copper out the other end of the slot, and that allows you to recycle the copper and to have access to the slots within the stator and rotor so you can properly inspect them, clean them, and prepare them for rewind.
The most important and the most accurate data that we can collect on the front end is imperative to get the generator through the shop properly in its designated areas to make sure that it's repaired as quickly and efficiently as possible.